welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I am crazy about helping you enhance your foundation routine. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I upload every Monday and Wednesday. Today we are going over August BoxyCharm. Dun, dun, dun. Now I am a newbie to BoxyCharm. I've done a video, one other before this, my first BoxyCharm. This is my second one, and when I got that notification in the email that it was on its way, I was so excited. I even went out, which I never go out, at like 8 o'clock at night, drove to my mailbox just to pick this up. Basically, I'm gonna try on these products. I'm gonna let you know what I think, if this whole box is worth it. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching.
Now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad.
One of the items I cannot use right now is this Pores Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. I will use this tonight though. I love cleansers, love them. And the fact that this is in the box, Dr. Brandt, is pretty amazing. 3.5 ounces. Yeah, you know, 3.5 ounces is actually a really small amount for a cleanser. Whoa, and this retails for $36. Holy cow, would I ever spend that much on a cleanser? I have before, but usually at $36 you can get at least 4 ounces, hopefully 5, I don't know. But this is supposed to be a non-drying pore refining cleanser that removes makeup, residue, and dead skin while helping to banish sebum and decongest pores. So that your skin is supposed to feel mattified without any drying sensation, which is great because I have dry skin and sebum is actually what causes blackheads, acne. That sebum is just doing its thing. The next product I'm going to go in with my makeup. If you can see, I did my foundation, gosh, what foundation did I use? I cannot find anything on this desk. Oh, here it is. I use the It Cosmetics. This is the new Your Skin But Better foundation. And then I also use this Hourglass concealer. I need to set things though. This hasn't completely set down, and I don't want to set it because this product, I've never heard of this brand in my life. So this is the Tristique Summer Glow Plus Go set. It's a mini set that's supposed to perfect your summer glow. And these are in mini crayons. A highlight stick, a blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. Now there's something I just don't like about crayon. Not anything personal with the actual crayon, but crayon. But when these, I mean, oh, it twists up, guys. That's cool. I wish all things did this. Eyeliners, lip liners, they should just come in this kind of formula. And since this is a cream product, I didn't set down any of my makeup. I only set down under my eyes just so we can play around with this. I wish they had a bronzing stick too, just because to only have blush. But I'm just gonna apply this where I usually apply blush. That seems actually really pretty. It doesn't have a lot of pigment, but with these blushes, you don't want tons of pigment because then it's hard to blend out. And with blush, the scariest thing is you don't want to have like these bright pink cheeks. I still need to put bronzer on, but why don't we just go in and try the highlight, and I can always put more highlight on later. Yeah, that blended out really well too. Whoa, very strobe-like effect. I love it. Do I think this whole pack is $42? I don't know where people are coming up with these prices because that is really expensive. One of the next products in here is this Thank Me Later eye primer by Elizabeth Mott. This is a cruelty-free eye primer, which is awesome. It's supposed to enhance your shadows and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and you should be good to go all night long. Dries quickly, transparent, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application for your shadow, which is great because I do have a shadow, a creamy shadow. Is this it? It's one of these that we're gonna put in our crease. So the packaging is super cute. I love how it's pink. I love how it's little because, oh, this is made in Korea. LLC Honolulu, Hawaii. So she must be from Hawaii, the owner of this. That's cool. Okay, first and foremost, it's very, oh, it definitely has some tackiness to it. It's creamy. I just feel like eyeshadow primers are just like this extra step, and I wonder like how necessary they really are. So we will see if this does anything magical. My next question is do we set this with the powder? Okay, so you are supposed to wait for that to dry. So while that's drying, let's go in with the eyebrow stick, mini brow pencil, which there is another product. So the mini brow pencil is in the darker shade, and this is called Americano, and this is supposed to create your naturally full, beautiful brows using the triangular shaped tip to accent and define. Okay, you know, these tips are actually one of my favorites because they make really quick work of brows. Brow pencils, I mean, they range from anywhere between $7, $6 to $20. All right, so that's where we're at so far. It definitely took a minute to warm this product up. It's very stiff. The pigment's not too strong though. If you're wanting to make any really defined hair-like strokes, this is definitely not the product for you. So this is great. If you already have, you know, a good amount of brows to deal with, kind of like me, and then there is a product in here that is supposed to be a jet brow gel, which will really help make these look a little bit fluffy. So I really like this brow pencil. What in the world? I was not expecting to like it at all. Like, look at how naturally it fills in my brows. Let's check this primer. Feels dry, let's do it. Okay, so this is a mini shadow crayon, Tahitian Shimmer. Well, this already kind of creased the actual primer. Let's see, let's just put this in the crease. This is an ultra blendable, super creamy texture, leaves lids glistening and with the perfect shimmering top shade. The only thing I don't like about cream shadows is sometimes I feel like they crease. So this will be a very interesting product to see if this primer works at all. It's really easy to put this on your lid, but I will say it's not very blendable. The shadow crayon is definitely my least favorite product out of that whole package. It just is kind of like a blah color. Like, I like that it's a neutral. It's just not blending out super amazing. I wonder if that has anything to do with the primer, just because it felt like it dragged. Maybe the primer works better with just powdered products. The next product is a bronzer, which I love bronzers, and this is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Normally retails for $24. It's a perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. A rich coppery tone lends the right amount of color for a natural looking tan. You guys are gonna see this color, and so the packaging, you know, it's nothing. To me, this is not a $24. How many times am I gonna say that in BoxyCharm? I don't feel like this is a $24 bronzer packaging. To me, a $24 bronzer packaging, a little more bougie, you know what I mean? $24, I mean, that's pretty. This feels a little bit more drugstore packaging in my opinion. So this is the color. One of the first things I noticed off the bat when I opened this is I feel like it's too light for my skin tone, 100%. Before we go in with that bronzer, I just need to set where I applied all those cream products. And I'm using this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. It's a very lightweight. Bronzing time. I'm nervous. I'm gonna go in with this big, fat, fluffy bronzing brush. This is the Morphe R2. This looks like it's a matte formula, which is great. Yeah, I am seeing bronzing. Wow. It looks so much lighter in the packaging. So this is my Milani bronzer. Let's compare shades. Okay, wow. Really, really similar. I think the Milani might be even a little bit lighter. Yeah, I shouldn't judge until I've used it, right? This bronzer feels really, it's applying well. That's for sure. There is some kickback when using the product. Okay, I just want to know who is in the BoxyCharm testing group, because they are picking out some really good products. I mean, if I would have just ran into this at the store, I would have been like, not getting it. And it actually, it's a great matte bronzer. It blends beautifully. And this crayon set really has impressed me as well. What in the world? Now, we do have one last product to go over. This product is by far the one I was most excited for when I opened the box. This is by Milk Makeup. So Milk Makeup sells this for $20. It's a vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp derived from cannabis seed oil for a long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. I've used the Milk Hydro Grip, which is cool, and so I thought it was awesome that this came in the box because this is $20 on its own if you went to Sephora right now. So let's see, let's open this up. Okay, so it has like the little end with the tinted fibers. I love that. Let's give these brows some life. Whoa. Are you guys seeing this? You have to see this. I have never used something that has this many fibers. Oh, it's on my nose. Okay, just see how it like picks it up? 100% this is worth the box. For the box only being like 20 something dollars, and it came with this amazing brow product. Yes, bushy brow effect, brow fibers in place. I'm just curious to see how long this lasts throughout the day. I hope it lasts all day long. I'm going to hop off the camera and do the rest of my makeup, and then we'll go over the whole value of this box, and I'll be right back. Va-voom! Makeup is complete, and it's 7:40 in the morning. Holy cow, I don't think I've been ready this early in a long time. But what I did end up finishing up with my makeup is I did a setting spray, which I use the Morphe Luminous setting spray. Great option, $16. And then I went in with my Sugar... I throw everything around. My Sugar Petal Fresh SPF lip treatment. I just like it because it's tinted, but it's like a lip balm, so you're not getting too zhuzhy in the morning. I mean, my kids are gonna be up any minute now, so. I went in with my mascara. This is L'Oreal Double Extend. I love it, it's phenomenal. All right, so I added everything up for all 5 products. The value is $142. I only paid about $24 for this, so when I look at everything I got, I'm really impressed. I mean, love this Milk makeup tint. I actually pretty impressed with these crayons. What else did I get? This, you know, eyeshadow primer. I just don't care. I don't care about eyeshadow primers. Bronzer turned out beautifully. And then what else? Oh, and I'm really excited to try out the cleanser. I mean, I go through cleansers like nobody's business because I double cleanse every time I wear makeup. So I definitely think this box was worth it. You got BoxyCharm this month. Let me know in the comments down below what you got. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I upload every Monday and Wednesday here, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.